We're following the latest developments out of Fort Wayne tonight in the David Bisard case. The Metro police officer charged with driving drunk, causing death and serious injury. It was a day marked by very little progress when much was expected. RTV6 reporter Jack Reinhardt joins us live in Fort Wayne tonight from the Allen County Courthouse with reaction to this latest hearing up there. Jack.
Well, Todd, the judge set aside today and tomorrow to hear as many as 10 different motions, critical legal arguments that would determine the admissibility of evidence for Bisard's upcoming October trial. But today ended early, without decision. The prosecution team spent much of the day trying to get admitted into trial evidence of Bisard's second drunk driving arrest that occurred April 27th in Lawrence. The state wants to show a pattern of conduct of driving drunk and covering it up. In the August 2010 drunk driving crash that killed Eric Wells and injured 2 others, Bisard was driven to a clinic for a blood draw, but not before officers stopped at a gas station and allowed him to purchase smokeless tobacco. Along with FOP representation on scene, it was just one of many accommodations shown to Bisard in what would become a criminal case.
We were presenting evidence to show that, for whatever reason, David Bisard was treated differently. And that's something that we should be able to explore at trial.
The court didn't hear several other state motions that would have prohibited Bisard from calling character witnesses, or a motion that would have prohibited statements from former prosecutor Carl Brizzi regarding his opinions on the inadmissibility of the controversial handling of the blood alcohol in the August 2010 crash. For the parents of Eric Wells, a day of unfulfilled expectations.
We would have liked to have seen all of this presented today. It didn't work that way. We'll be back on the 28th and hopefully get it finished up.
Back in Fort Wayne, August 28th for more hearings. Among the more controversial motions, a request by the defense to toss out the blood alcohol results from the 2010 crash. Live in Fort Wayne, Jack Reinhardt, RTV6.